In this video, we'll learn about pKa. What is pKa? The most important blood buffer system is bicarbonate buffer system. So the bicarbonate buffer system's pKa value is 6.1. Okay, and it is a fixed value for this buffer system. What exactly is the meaning of this pKa is nothing but there is equal amount of bicarbonate and carbonic acid at a pH of 6.1, and that is why that is the pKa value for this buffer system. It means the strength of this bicarbonate buffer system is maximum at a pH of 6.1. Okay, so there is equal amount of a weak acid and a conjugate base. So at this point the buffer has its maximum strength because it can respond to any change in the pH very efficiently. So the value, as I was telling, it is 6.1. There is equal amount of carbonic acid and bicarbonate. But normal our blood pH is 7.4, right? Even though the best value pH at which this bicarbonate buffer works is 6.1, but normally we know our blood pH is 7.4. That is almost like 1.3 pH units above the pKa value, right? What exactly does this mean is that there is a ratio of weak acid and base that is 20:1, meaning, so if you can just see lower down here, just see, at a pH of 6.1, it is fully equally balanced. What has happened? Bicarbonate is equal to carbonic acid, right? But when the blood pH is 7.4, there is more bicarbonate, right? Bicarbonate is higher when compared to the acid. See, carbonic acid is not very stable, so immediately it will form carbon dioxide and water, okay? So remember, for easier understanding, take carbon dioxide as a weak acid. Consider carbon dioxide as an acid and bicarbonate is a base, we all know. So now here understand, when the pH is 7.4, this buffer system's balance is shifted and we have more bicarbonate when compared to acid in our blood, because this carbon dioxide will be continuously exhaled out. It will not be in the blood just like that, right? So that's why we have less acid and more bicarbonate. Now the question here is, our bicarbonate buffer system or our blood, no, the buffer system in our blood has maximum capacity to buffer the acids produced. And that is actually an advantage because all the metabolism in our body, they release mainly acid. So all those acids are buffered by bicarbonate because the pKa of this buffer system is 6.1. Okay, hope you get understanding here. It is a pKa is where there is equal number of bicarbonate and carbonic acid, but normally we have more bicarbonate.